How much should you actually spend on buffing pads? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, IPELY Buffing Pads. The IPELY 6 PCS buffing pads caught my attention because of their versatility and affordable price at just $17.68. If you want a reliable option for polishing and waxing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These pads are made from durable aluminum oxide and silicon carbide materials, meaning they're designed to cut through scratches and oxidation effectively. They're not just for cars, you can use them on boats, glass, and more. With a lightweight design and hook and loop backing, they're user-friendly too. Plus, they're washable and reusable, which means you're not just throwing money away after one use. Now, some people complained about the durability after multiple washes. Here's the thing though, if you're using them for light to medium jobs, they hold up pretty well. If you're a heavy user, you might need to replace them sooner, but I think the price makes it a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for quality pads that deliver results without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra durable for professional detailing work. For the price, you really can't go wrong here. Now, if the durability complaints of the IPELY pads bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Buff and Shine URO Fiber Microfiber Pad 5-inch. The Buff and Shine URO Fiber Microfiber Pad is another great option, priced at $14.90. What really caught my eye is its all-in-one capability, allowing you to compound, cut, and polish with just one pad. If you want versatility without the hassle, this is definitely worth a serious look. This pad is designed specifically for paint correction, which means that with its short microfiber nap, it tackles scratches and swirls like a champ. The low-profile design makes it compatible with a variety of polishers, so you don't need to buy multiple pads. With a grit number of 180, it can handle all those annoying imperfections while delivering a sleek finish. Plus, it's great for both beginners and seasoned pros. However, some users pointed out that it may not hold up as well with heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're just doing occasional touch-ups or detailing for yourself, it should serve you quite well. But if you're a professional using it daily, you might want to keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable pad for home use or light professional detailing. Skip this one if you're going to be using it non-stop in a professional setting. For the price, it's a good deal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a higher grit level. Product number 3, Buff and Shine URO Fiber Microfiber Pad 6-inch. Next up is another gem from Buff and Shine, this time with the 6-inch version priced at $15.78. I was impressed by its ability to cut, polish, and finish all in one step. If you're looking for efficiency, you should definitely take a closer look. This pad features a unique blend of cutting and polishing fibers, which means you can tackle those scratches and then buff to a brilliant shine without switching pads. Its durable design makes it resistant to heat and chemicals, so it can withstand extensive polishing sessions. Weighing in at just 0.01 ounces, it's lightweight and easy to handle, making it a breeze for anyone. Some buyers did mention that the pad can wear out faster than expected. But honestly, if you're using it on lighter jobs, you should be just fine. It's really about understanding your own usage. This is ideal for you if you want a versatile pad that does it all without needing constant replacements. Skip this if you plan on using it for heavy-duty tasks daily, as you might need something more durable. Given its features and price, it's a solid investment for many. Now, if you're looking for smaller pads perfect for jewelry or delicate work, check out this next option. Product number 4, Wire Jewelry Ultra Pro Micro Abrasive Polishing Pads. The Wire Jewelry Ultra Pro Micro Abrasive Polishing Pads caught my eye at just $12.32 for a pack of 20. If you want a straightforward solution for cleaning and polishing jewelry, this is worth considering. These pads are made from tight bond foam with bonded microabrasives, which means they leave no residue behind. Whether you're polishing coins, rings, or other small items, these pads make it easy to achieve a shine without any fuss. The package of 20 means you have plenty to work with and they're lightweight so you won't feel bogged down during your projects. However, a few users mentioned that they found them too small for larger surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily working on jewelry or smaller items, the size is actually a benefit. It gives you precision that larger pads can't provide. This is perfect for you if you're a jewelry maker or someone who needs to maintain smaller items. Skip these if you're looking to polish larger surfaces, as they won't be effective for that. For the price, it's a steal for what you get. Now, if you want something even easier to use for jewelry, check out this next one. Product number 5, the Beadsmith Shine Right Polishing Pads. Finally, we have the Beadsmith Shine Right Polishing Pads at $11.36 for a pack of 10. The pre-treated foam squares caught my attention because they make polishing quick and easy, especially for jewelry. If you want convenience without sacrificing shine, this is definitely worth a look. They work wonderfully on gold, platinum, and sterling silver, making them versatile for various projects. What's more, they're designed for easy disposal after use, meaning you don't have to worry about cleaning them out. Some users found them less effective on heavily tarnished items. But honestly, if you're doing regular maintenance, these pads should serve you just fine. They're all about making your life easier. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-use solution for jewelry polishing. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty tarnish removal, as they might not handle that well. For the price, it's a great value considering how simple they make the process. So to sum up, we've covered some fantastic options. The IPDLY pads for versatility, the Buff and Shine URO fiber pads for efficiency, wire jewelry pads for detail work, and the Beadsmith pads for quick cleaning. Each has its advantages depending on your needs. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, there's something here for everyone. Just remember, the best choice ultimately depends on what you'll be using them for. Happy polishing!